Questions to ask before hiring a web designer. When sitting down with a web design company to discuss your goals, there are some questions you should ask to make sure that you're making the right decision by choosing this company. Now, first and foremost, you should ask if they're going to be around after the website's finished and live. One of the biggest reasons why companies call us is that they had their website designed a few years ago and they can't even get in touch with the guy that did it. They've moved away or they can't get a hold of him for some reason. You should be looking for a company with a track record, an actual office and systems in place for changes and upgrades. Another good question to ask is if you can speak with their past clients. Testimonials and customer reviews give amazing insight during the purchase process, and web design is no exception. If you really want to know what it's like to work with a particular designer, don't be afraid to ask to speak with their past clients. Ask them how smooth the web design process was and how the company has performed since its launch. Another good question to ask is what's maintenance like after the website's finished. Don't be afraid to ask how easy it is to make changes to a finished website. This is very, very important because one of the biggest reasons people change their web design company is because of lack of communication with their web company. Be sure to ask if the websites are mobile friendly. Over 84% of Americans own a smartphone, and if your website is not made to respond to mobile devices, you're really missing the boat here. Mobile-friendly websites should be non-negotiable. It's a must-have, and any web design company not offering this as a standard procedure, you shouldn't even hire them. Shouldn't even be thought about. You should also ask what their communication procedures between client and web designer. There should be set processes for seamless communication. For example, in our firm, we use a program called Basecamp. It's a project management software. And after the site is finished, we use help and change tickets for the client to communicate with our site maintenance team. Another really good question to ask is if other services are available. Now, the website itself is just a start of your business. It's like a digital journey. And like I've said before in other videos, it's like having a race car built. Once you have that race car, once you have that website built, you now need a driver with experience to help you win the race. At Rhino Web Studios, we would love to sit down with you and discuss not only your goals, but any questions you have, anything at all. You have any questions about the web design process, pick up the phone, call us, 504-875-5036, or visit our website, rhinopm.com. And as always, unless you are the leader, the view remains the same.